of achievements, but universe wants you to be a bit flexible. Nevertheless, the result is just going to make you so delighted. You will be so relaxed, so happy about the results. So now is the time to shine. Your hard work is going to pay off. Don't doubt that even for a second. But at the same time, you're being asked to just be a bit flexible. Okay? Do not let your emotions overpower you. Yes, it has been a hard and tough journey for you until now. You've grown so many things with you, is what I'm seeing. You might be a CEO of a company. You might be an elder in a family. You might be an elder in the siblings. Might be anywhere. I'm seeing that you might be the one who's taking up the responsibilities and who has seen things growing with them. And of course, you are the person who can be called responsible for all of that growth also. Most of the time, it is very much evident that people can also see that, right? And I'm seeing that if they acknowledge it, they do not acknowledge, does not matter to you. You've been doing your job very effectively. So now you're being asked just to be a bit flexible, be a bit light towards the expectations, and do not get over emotional at the moment. You are a person, you've been taking care of the emotions very well. You've actually channeled all the, I would say, the negativities or hardships in the best outcome. You know the recipe to work through all these emotions also. You are a kind of king and queen of emotions. So just take care of whatever you need to. Be grounded as you are, and seeing that you might have an image of what you need to achieve. So God and Divine just wants you to understand for that outcome, you might be seeing through your own spectrum, which might be very limited, which might not be seeing your highest potential. Most of the time, this is what we get shoved into. So you have been asked again to just be a bit flexible about the outcome, because the outcome is going to be great. It is going to surprise you, and you'll be so delighted, so relaxed, and I'm seeing you finally smiling and enjoying your time. You'll be showered with so many blessings you are not even aware of at the moment. So just let God work now, let Divine work now, because you've done your part. Just enjoy it a bit, lighten up a bit, go and take that sun bath, or maybe you can just relax a bit in the moon shower, in the moonlight, or you can just take that spa or that hot water bath or whatever soothes your nerves. Okay, so you're being asked to relax. Things are going to move very soon. You've been working hard, and now let universe give you the rewards. Be open to whatever comes, because the rewards that are coming in are going to surprise you. Okay, hold on to your emotions. And I'm seeing someone has been working upon the prosperity really hard, and you've been holding on tight to the results that you want and expect. No doubt, if we do not have an expectation or goal setting, we would not have an aim to reach, which was that part which you have done already. Now, when it comes to the outcome, we need to trust universe, trust the divine wisdom, and let yourself be rewarded with the results that you deserve, not what you, right? Yes, the last moment when sun has to come out, it has to be the darkest, so it can be very struggling at the moment, but just a bit of it and you are done. Okay, so I'm wishing you all the best once again. Keep having fun, keep yourself light. You have built in a good empire for yourself in whichever field you are applying this reading to. So I hope this message helps you, and I'm sending you much love. I'll see you next. Bye bye for now.